a wonderful day to be alive. Just alive sounds pretty cool. Right, here I am, back at the temple. Oh, sorry, shrine. And it's blue. We have blue sky. Woohoo! Which is a rarity we've had over recent times. And have I got something to show you? Hence this. Right then. Go and say hello to my mates here. There you are. He doesn't have much to say. And this guy. Hello. Alright. A fantastic day it is. And alright, I'm going to get this done and get a few things sorted out. Wait till you check the sound of this thing. Now we're talking about 12 inches, 302 mil in diameter. That's at the flanges. At the flange, 545 mil, I think it was. It came to 555. Yeah, about 545 mil. What's that in? As my father used to say, what's that in Chinese? You'd call that in metric. That's what you'd call metric. Let's see, 510, 20, 22 inches, is that right? Something on those lines. Okay, here we go. He'd always work in imperial inches. Okay, now this is in superb condition. We're talking about one seriously wild bell here. Bronze, Japanese temple bell, bronze, Buddhist. And it's in just superb condition. See, these are that's casting lines. There's no cracks or anything like that. Check this out. There's no dates on it. There's a little nick in there, but it doesn't penetrate or anything. Just a little bit of a nick. Nothing to fuss about. Okay. Wild, wild, wild. Okay, give it another. I did that a bit on the flat. Generally, you give it a bit of side. Give it a bit of side. When am I playing snooker now? Here we go. Huh? Now do you hear it? Unfortunately, as a dealer of antiquities, sometimes, all times, you have to let some things go. I'm going to put a fairly decent price on this because I really had to fork out for this. And I want to keep it. Well, I've just got to do this some more. Bells I've ever heard. I used to have one that was 350 kilos. Wow. As you notice, I'm not striking it with any power whatsoever. Just stomp. That's it. I really should put a much higher price on this thing. And then I can just kind of have a make-believe excuse in myself that no one wants to buy it. And someone gets to keep it. Alright. put it up. Here's your opportunity. I mean, look how thick the handle is here. Well, not me, you know, look how thick I am. But check out how thick this so look at that, how thick that is. So yeah, I've lost my mind. It's a handle, a hanger, a hook, a support region, and lost my language. Oh well, this is fantastic. If only I could just speak in this. Here, listen to me speak. I speak in bell. Alright, enough messing about. Alright, I've got to get this down and go and clear out all the back of that dust and all kinds of things I have to do. For those of you that have been contacting me recently, yeah, lots of questions, things like that about various different items I have. Yeah, check out my vids. And yeah, the more the merrier. More questions you have, throw them at me, and I'll see if I can't answer them. Then, like as today, for instance, that really difficult kanji, we found out who that guy was, and he died in 1937. Comes from the northern region of Tokyo. Blah blah blah. You know who you are. Who I'm referring to. So yeah, if I don't know, I can ask around, and you know, you never know. Alright, follow my stuff, and you know, you don't have to buy my stuff, just enjoy what, vicariously if you will, what I'm doing right now, what I'm trying to achieve, and that's just simply trying to survive, and disseminating the beauty of Japanese culture, which is a lot of it, you know, as you see, this is not exactly downtown flashy Tokyo, and that's the way I like it. Bye-bye.